No? Dito ko nakita sa IMG yung passion ko, which is yun pala yung gusto kong gawin. No? So that's why 3 years na po akong naging seaman, and then nag full time na po ako dito 2019. And one of my biggest why talaga dito as a breadwinner is to help my family. My mother is struggling with her debts with more than 500,000. Okay, so I can really remember, no? Nung sa kalaki ng utang ng mama ko, marami pupunta sa bahay para maningil. Tapos yung bahay namin, hindi pa namin yung bahay kasi nagre-renta lang kami. So, ang ginagawa namin noon, lumilipat kami ng tirahan. No? Sabi ko nga, para kaming no permanent address, yung NPA. So, yun po yung parang tumatak sa akin. So, yun yung naging biggest why ko. I really want to help my mother because she is a single mother. Because my father died when I was still in grade 3, na-ambush po yung papa ko ng mga NPA. So, pulis po yung papa ko sa Davao. So that's the reason why parang maaga akong namulat sa responsibilidad sa buhay. And at such a young age, kumbaga ako yung nagtaguyod talaga sa mga kapatid ko. Ako nagpapaaral ngayon sa bunso namin. And sa pangalawa namin, nakapagtapos na siya. And because of IMG, nakita ko talaga yung pagbabago, no? Yung massive change talaga sa buhay ko at such a young age. Kasi sa mga millennials dito, no, yung mga 35, mga below 30s, we have the luxury of time. Tama? Meron pa tayong oras eh. You have the energy. So that's why kailangan lang natin ihataw talaga dito sa business na to. No? Yun talaga yung naging advantage ko kasi hinataw ko siya. I give my focus in IMG until such time na naabot ko yung mga biggest why ko. So, napatayo ko yung two-story house 2 years ago in the middle of pandemic. That is my gift to my mother. Because since we were young, wala talaga kami sariling bahay. And dumating sa point na yung landlord namin, pinadlock talaga niya yung pinto kasi hindi na nagbabayad yung mother ko sa renta ng bahay. So, ang ginawa ko para makuha ko yung mga gamit ko is, mga damit namin, dumaan ako sa bintana. No? So yun talaga yung parang tumatak sa utak ko na naging biggest why ko siya. That's why I need to become successful. I need to become successful at early age kasi napakalaki ng responsibilidad. And yun yung naging reason na ginagawa ko yung IMG until now. No? That's why I become consistent because I'm always hungry for result. Kasi kung wala akong result, wala akong perang maibibigay sa family ko. Kasi nag-quit na ako, no? Nag-resign na ako, nag-retire na ako ng maaga sa pagbabarko. So that's one of my reason, that's one of my purpose. Okay? And when it comes to discipline, sabi nga ni Coach Juan, discipline is just doing the GX program. Okay? You really need to be disciplined enough to run the GX every month. That's what I did. Kasi nakalatag na sa atin yung GX is already there. Just do 3-5, run 3-3 before, and then naging 3-5 siya, di ba? So, yung ginawa ko lang po is kung paano ko siya ni-run nung 3-3, yun lang din po yung ginawa ko last year. Kaya nag-GX12 ako din last year. Kasi alam ko na kung paano siya gawin. You just need to have daily activities every day. So, if you open your business every day, you do prospecting, you do follow-up every day, you call your team every day, you conduct meeting with your team, consistent talaga yung result na mangyayari sa'yo. So, every day, you need to have an agenda. That's very important part of this business. You need to wake up with a goal in mind kung ano yung, what you need to do, what the things na kailangan mong gawin sa araw na to. And if you master that one, it will become your habit every day. And you keep on doing the same thing every day. And each month, you will have the same result, which is GX. You are always qualified for GX. Because yan yung ginagawa ko sa everyday. So, tumatak sa akin kahapon, no, sa Coach Juan said is, winning is different from winning habits. Because winning for me, na-learn ko kahapon, winning for me, if you win, that is momentarily. Tama? Sometimes we win, we get the promotion, and then we lie low. Correct? May mga ganyan ba tayong mga members? Na-promote, nakuha yung GX, and then hindi na niya na-maintain yung momentum. But for me, winning habits is important, and that's very important part, because winning habits is creating a skill in yourself, no? Creating a discipline in yourself that you always win consistently. You get the result you want because you already have the habit in yourself. That's what we need to do, guys, to become GX12. You need to be consistent every day. Okay? So you need to be consistent. You need to focus on our daily activities and our agenda here in this business. And what I'm proud, no, sa team po namin, because of teamwork, my team, more than 50 GX qualifiers po kami, no? This last year, 2024. Based on my monitoring, we have promoted 47 GX1 qualifiers, and we also have GX8, GX7, GX5. So, kumbaga, I just lead in front. I qualified for GX, and I told